So what is up, my people? So welcome back to a brand new video. Literally in today's video I'm literally going to show you guys how I was able to trade the FOMC yesterday. It was 1st of May 2024, and we had like the FOMC news release at around 7 p.m. GMT plus one time. So I'm literally going to show you guys how I was able to trade the Euro USD. I was able to capitalize on this particular spike that actually went all the way to the upside during the FOMC news release yesterday at around May 1st, 2024. So basically, let me just clear all of these things out for you guys, so you guys could understand what I was possibly looking out for whilst I wanted to trade the Euro USD. Let me just clear all of these things. Let me give you guys like a clear analysis from the higher time frame. So it is very clear that on Euro USD, the market has been ranging all the way to the downside, making series of lower lows and lower highs. You guys can see the market has been ranging all the way to the downside, making series of lower lows and lower highs. So what I saw that made me anticipate on wanting to buy this particular market, like you guys know, I always trade on the 2-hour time frame. I always like doing my analysis on the 2-hour time frame. So I came all the way to the 2-hour time frame and I saw something like this, something very good and very significant. So market came all the way to the upside, created something like this. Market came all the way to the upside. You guys know that I always consider this to be a liquidity. Whenever I see weak rejection in the market, I always consider it to be like a liquidity. So the market came all the way. The market came all the way to the upside. Came all the way to the upside to this significant high here, giving us an equal highs here, equilibrium, like an equal highs, stating that okay, the market is literally going to rally all the way to the upside to clear out this particular equal highs. So the market came all the way to the upside, gave us an equal highs. I saw that the market has done an equal highs. I knew that okay, this particular market is literally going to come all the way to the upside to clear out this particular equal highs. So I went further down to like the 1-hour time frame to look for a clear analysis for me to take my trade off of. So like I've been seeing all the way from the higher time, from the lower time frame, 1 hour. I've been seeing that price has been rejecting. So you guys can see that price rejected from this particular area. Here was the demand zone. Price came all the way to the demand zone, rejected. Let me make this bold a little bit. And here, there was an imbalance here. You guys can see there was an imbalance here, a fair value gap. So price came all the way to the downside, filled the imbalance, filled the fair value gap, and rallied all the way to the upside. So price rallied all the way to the upside, created a high, created a low, created an high again, causing a break of this particular structure. So literally I saw everything on the 1-hour time frame. I saw the clear market movement on the 1-hour time frame, causing a break of structure. What was the candlestick, the bearish candlestick, the other block that actually caused the break of structure? The other block was this particular one. This particular candlestick was the other block that actually caused the break of that particular structure. So what did I do? I literally marked out the other block. Then the previous low before the other block is going to serve as an inducement before the zone. So that was my inducement. So when market came all the way to the downside, when market rallied all the way to the downside, it mitigated on my order block. When price mitigated on my order block, it rallied all the way to the upside. So basically the market was at around this particular area. The market was at around this particular area before the push happened to the upside. The market was at around this particular area before the FOMC release happened on at 7 p.m. So during 7 p.m, you guys can see, if I go, you guys can see it, 7 p.m 1900 Wednesday 2024. So immediately the FOMC release happened, price rallied all the way to the upside. It pushed the market all the way to the upside. Meanwhile, most people were literally selling Euro USD. They were literally skeptical about the movement on Euro USD. Meanwhile, I knew that the price was going to go all the way to the upside, because I can see that there's a liquidity here, and I literally have an analysis, a sell analysis on Euro USD on the higher time frame. I have a sell analysis on Euro USD on the higher time frame. Let me show you guys. I'm anticipating that price is literally going to come all the way to this particular area before it starts selling, because the trend of the market is in the downtrend. price has been making series of lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs. So when we are in a downtrend, what do? We sell from a supply zone, which is like a premium area. Do you guys understand? So I was anticipating that price is going to rally all the way to the upside to mitigate on this particular area before dropping all the way to the downside. So now the current order flow of the market is in an uptrend. So what do? We trade according to the trend of the market. And this particular liquidity equal highs here made me understand that okay, the market is literally going to rally all the way to the upside to clear this equal highs, then come all the way, they rally all the way to fill up this imbalance, this huge imbalance, rally all the way to fill up this huge imbalance before doing anything. So you guys understand, this was the reason why I took this particular trade on Euro USD that made me tons of money, significant amount of money. So in the market, this was literally the trade. I sent it out to my um private telegram group. I sent it out to my private telegram group before the move happened and everything. So you guys can literally anticipate, or you guys can literally see how I was able to do all of these things even before the news happened. Because one thing about fundamentals, one thing about news and everything, news doesn't guarantee the direction of the market. Technical analysis guarantees the direction of the market. News of fundamentals just pushes the market to its anticipated direction. So whatever you're doing in the market, whenever you get to find out that the news has literally pushed all the way to probably opposite direction where you're trading into, or your direction where you're trading into, it means the fundamentals on the technicals is literally right, or probably the fundamental just wants to do dirty, hit stop loss before going all the way to its anticipated direction. So you guys always understand that. So literally, this is the reason why I took this particular trade on Euro USD. I thought I should quickly come and share with you guys, show you guys the possibility, show you guys how to analyze the chart very well, what to do on the chart each and every time you come into the market. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.